how to show only important upcoming events notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. First, open VK and then click Hub. Now click these three lines and then click Settings. Scroll down. Here we'll find first one notifications, and if you can't find it, just scroll down until you find it. And now scroll down again here and search for this one, upcoming events, and that's it. Click important, and then after that just go back, it will be saved, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.